Hey guys, it's Matt with Tips for Truckers, and today this video is about how to hill start a truck, or any vehicle for that matter, a manual transmission vehicle, without rolling backwards. You just roll forwards as soon as you let off the brake. So I put my foot on the brake, push in the clutch, put it in first gear, or whichever gear you need. And then what you want to do is you want to slowly let out that clutch until the RPMs just bog down a little bit, or you can feel it catching, the clutch catching. Or what will also happen is the whole truck will shake a little bit, just like that. Just to where it just barely catches. And then you can let off the brake, start letting off the clutch, and it won't roll backwards. Then you have your foot on the brake, push in the clutch all the way, put it in first gear, and just slowly let out that clutch until you get into the meat of the clutch and it starts bogging down. You'll see the RPM go down from 650 to about 600 or whatever, and as soon as that start grabbing, as soon as the engine's under a little bit of load, you just let off the brake and start letting out the clutch, and you will not roll backwards. You'll just keep going until you shift.